Hey everybody, welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I wanted to go ahead and do an easy, quick, classic New Year's Eve look. It is around the corner, so we have to get ready. But if you're new here, I upload twice a week, so let's be friends. Go ahead, subscribe down below if you love all things beauty, and let's go. So New Year's Eve is around the corner, and I know everyone likes to look good for any holiday, doesn't matter, especially if you're going out. So I figured I would just do like a classic wing red lip, just really sexy, fun, simple, so you can still look good, but get it done quick, you know? So to start it off, I'm just going to use my favorite eyeliner, the Physicians Formula, and it is the waterproof ultrafine liquid liner in Blackest Black. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know this is my all-time favorite eyeliner. It's just so smooth, so simple to use. It glides on the skin. It's super, I don't know, what is it? Like juicy? Is that a thing? I don't know. It's just good. It is so good. I promise you, it is good. If you've never tried it, go out and get this. I got mine from Walmart. I got this in the mail on Christmas Eve. I ordered it from Shop Miss A. I actually ordered a bunch of stuff, which I'm gonna do a video on, so stay tuned for that. But I just feel like this would be super cute. It would add a little pop to the liner. It is the Diamond eyeliner from Santee, I wanna say. Santee, in the shade Crystal. You definitely don't have to add the glitter. I'm just extra, so it just is what it is. I just wanted to do it. So if you want that little extra pop, go ahead. If not, keep that simple, classic black liner and you're gonna look good. Just gonna pop on this Colourpop volumizing mascara. I would love to show you the tube, but there's really no point because it is completely gone. But I do still have the shade. It is black on black. I'm just gonna put this on my lashes just to make sure they're super dark and coated. I'm gonna go in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Poreless Blur Primer. This stuff, I don't know what is in it, but I'm telling you, it is the truth. Like, my skin doesn't feel like skin. Like, what is this? It's like so soft, so smooth. You see, that's how you gotta go into the new year, with soft and smooth skin. You don't wanna go in crunchy. You know how they say, like, what is it? The way you go into the new year is the way you come out of the new year. Ain't that what it is? I think that's what it is. So let's just all go into the new year with smooth, soft skin so we can go out the same way. I'm gonna use this NYX Born to Glow foundation. Whoa. All right, there's that. Okay, this is playing too much. Just going in with the Covergirl TrueBlend Undercover Concealer. I literally have no plans, so there's that. The last time I actually like partied for New Year's was like years ago. I used this WetnWild photofocus loose setting powder before, but it wasn't really my favorite, but I just seen it in my drawer and I'm like, why not? Let's just give it a go. It actually wasn't that bad. I don't know what I did the first time, but I did not like it, but it was okay. I'm gonna use this, what is this? I'm gonna use the Black Radiance pressed powder. Just to give myself some color. In the winter, I get so pale and it is like so sad. I just don't understand why the color has to disappear. So I asked people what their New Year's resolutions were, and I was going to use them in the video, but everybody I know plays too much, so I got the most ridiculous answers. One of the responses were to grow some edges. Like, you know what? Just forget it. Going in with the, I don't know how to say it, Ciate London. It's the Marbled Light Dusk. I got this in my BoxyCharm, so like why not use it? It's a super cute pinky tone. I kind of feel like I want to smoke out my lower lash line, so I'm gonna go in with this Chocolates palette, and I'm gonna use this shade here, which is VIP. Put it underneath. Gonna go in with my broken down WetnWild highlighter. It is so broken down, like it doesn't even stay attached anymore. And to finish the look, I'm gonna go in with this Believe Beauty Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Cherry on Top. This stuff, you know what? Just wait, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, this stuff is $4. $4. It is so creamy. It's so easy to use. It stays on like no other. I used it a couple days ago for some other Christmas pictures that I took with my family, and I did not have to reapply it. It didn't get crusty and crack and all that weird stuff. Like, it's seriously good. So I'm probably gonna go and get me some more of these, and I'm just gonna set it really quick. All right, so that is it for this super simple, easy, classy New Year's Eve look. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys are gonna do for the new year. Also, your resolutions, your goals. I'm kind of interested to see what you guys are brewing up. For me, 2020, it's all about my YouTube channel. I really just want to get it off and popping, you know? Need my 1,000 subscribers, my 4,000 watch hours. So right now, that's just my goal. I know it's coming, so I'm just going to keep working on it. But for now, go ahead, make sure you subscribe so you can stay along for the journey. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.